The Merit's Pilot E604. This curved track stairlift combines extraordinary comfort, convenience and safety. When not in use, the Pilot E604 is very compact. The seat, armrests and footrest fold up to allow complete access to the stairs. When needed, the E604 unfolds easily and quickly with the seat and footrest moving simultaneously. The user easily directs the stairlift by use of the buttons on the armrest. In addition, the E604 features an infrared remote that enables the user to easily call and park the carriage. The Pilot E604 has many functions that provide added safety and comfort. It features a key ignition for more security. The swivel seat design with locking catch makes mounting and dismounting a breeze. The seat will not operate until the seat has been fully unfolded and is in the ready position, and the standard seat belt offers protection in the event of an accident. Its robust motor and rugged frame give the E604 a carrying capacity of 120 kilograms or 265 pounds. It also employs Merit's soft start and soft stop technology, which provide for a pleasant, no-lurch ride. Additionally, the E604 comes with an obstacle sensor safety interlock, which stops the stairlift in the event that there is an obstacle on the stairway. Optionally, the E604 can be equipped with a mechanical braking system with an overspeed governor to ensure maximum operating safety. Finally, seat height and armrest width are adjustable to provide optimum comfort and safety to the user. Merit's Pilot E604 stands at the head of its class in functionality. This curved track model is a superb combination of comfort and stability. Its straightforward controls and state-of-the-art safety features make the Pilot E604 the best choice for anyone looking for a curved track stairlift.